Hi everyone. Did you know organizations that embrace project management practices waste 11 times less money than the ones that don't? That's just one of the many benefits of project management, which is used in various industries such as construction, engineering, software development, and business. And if you're looking to take your project management skills to the next level, becoming a certified project management professionals, that could be the way to go. On average, PMP certified professionals earn 22% more than their non-certified peers and enjoy increased career opportunities. In this video, we will dive deeper into the world of project management and explore what it takes to become a PMP certified professional. So let's get started. It's important to note that PMP certification is a must for every project management professional. Simplilearn's PMP certification training is led by experts who will help you prepare and pass the PMP exam. This course covers the best practices in project management that is covered in the 7th edition of the PMBOK guide and is aligned with the latest PMP Examination Content Outline. The PMP training course covers core topics that are essential for every project management professionals, including work breakdown structure, resource allocation, Gantt charts, mathematical project scheduling models, project cost estimating, cost management, engineering economics, and leadership. By obtaining the globally recognized PMP certification, you can land lucrative jobs in IT, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and other exciting industries. Certified PMP professionals drive better project performance and are often rewarded with substantial pay raises. The PMP certification is a globally recognized professional certificate in project management. To be eligible for the PMP certification exam, you need to have either a secondary degree with at least 5 years of project management experience or a 4-year degree with at least 3 years of experience in project management. You also need to have completed 35 hours of project management education, which Simplilearn certification training course provides. The exam consists of 200 multiple choice questions and you have 4 hours to complete it. The PMP certification cost in India range between 22,763 rupees to 3,79,397 rupees, depending on the location of the certification. And the PMP exam fee for PMI members in US is $405, while for non-members it is $555. To succeed at the PMP certification exam, you need to dedicate your time and effort to preparing for the exam, complete the e-learning course content for PMP before the online classroom training, and score at least 80% in one out of the 7 PMP full-length practice tests available online. Simplilearn's PMP certification training has many features that make it the ideal course to help you prepare for the PMP certification exam. You will receive 35 contact hours, which is a requirement for taking the PMP exam. You will have access to digital materials from PMI, which is the governing body for PMP certification. You will have access to 8 simulation test papers, each with 180 questions to help you practice for the real exam. You will have experiential learning through case studies which help you understand and apply the concepts covered in the course. And lastly, you will have a 100% money back guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the course, you can get your money back. Moreover, Simplilearn has a PMP training course advisor, Tim Jeremy, which is an international project management expert with over 15 years of experience at companies like Intel and Digital Network Services. He is a former president of the PMI Rio Grande chapter and PMP instructor with over 10 years of experience in addition to his extensive project management consulting experience. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now in Simplilearn's PMP certification training to take your project management skills to the next level. With their expert trainers, comprehensive course material, and guaranteed results, you will be well on your way to take your career to the next level. Start your journey today. The course link is mentioned in the description box. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.